Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to charge your iPhone 6s using your MacBook Pro. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an iPhone 6s, and the charging wire, which is Lightning port to USB. So we can now start the tutorial. Insert the wire into the computer. That has been inserted, and then connect the iPhone to the Mac. We have connected the Mac to the iPhone, or iPhone to the Mac, and then we are given the message on screen: do you want to allow this computer to access the information on the phone? I'll say yes, continue. And we also have a message on the phone. Now we have to insert our password. And then it says on screen, to allow access, please respond on your iPhone. We have done that. Now we're just waiting to see what is happening next. So we have now connected, and there the phone shows on the left hand side of the page. If we click on the phone itself, we can see the capacity of the phone, the number, not available yet, serial number. And so the phone is now charging, so we can minimize iTunes for the moment. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.